can see like bubbles here.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like when you just take it out.
Here. Hi.
Hi guys, today we are
Doing an experiment.
which is water with oil with bombshell, but we're not using this one because we need a little one, which is we're gonna use this one. So let's do it. So first we got the water in the cup. We have to put the oil in now.
Now we have put the oil in.
So now let's put the. So my brother's pouring a little bit more oil,
Looks so cool.
and
How does that even happen? I thought it
now
would
we're
go,
gonna
like,
put in the
into
bombshell.
it. I thought it would go into it.
Whoa! Look,
Fizzy,
guys,
fizzy,
the
fizzy,
top
fizzy.
is fizzing.
It's fizzing from these holes in the.
Yeah. Wow. It looks like ice.
This is
Pollution.
yellow. And
That's blue.
Oh, and epic! Look at that. Look at that. So cool.
Whoa! Looks like guns blowing up.
Oh, meanwhile, that area is blue, and this stays yellow. Isn't that
Interesting. Yeah. So I think it's rising up.
Oh, you know those things we have at school?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit like those. So I think that's how they make it.
You can see the blue drops are floating on the yellow,
And the oil.
on the oil.
It looks so cool.
They're just
How does
popping
that
up.
even happen? Can I use this and then
You
see
could.
what happens? What if I pop one of these? Oh, you can't.
You can. So my brother's mixing it up.
Oh, you can
Take
pop
it
these.
out. So
It's so cool. How
now
does that even happen?
the bombshell looks like it's still the same, but with holes.
A lot. It's a bit like a reef.
It looks
Coral
like
reef in Australia. Even though we've never been there.
it looks like Earth. Bright side, dark side, and then
This could be polluted Earth.
polluting Earth.
So you
and
gotta care for the environment. Stop littering.
polluting Earth, safe Earth, and this is
Antarctica.
Antarctica. There you go.
And then everyone will flee to Antarctica even though it's underwater. Wow.
Ooh. Comment down below what else should we do.
Yeah. It looks like there's underwater volcano.
Looks like an
Volcano.
explosion.
Yeah. Like especially when it goes up.
Yeah. It looks like that volcano thing we did.
Yeah. So we have water, oil, and a bombshell. But if you don't have a bombshell, you can use like food coloring.
And then after that you can put baking soda.
yeah, and then you'll see what happens. Like it could explode, or the oil could block it with that barrier. So like
It's nearly finished and you can see like an eruption going up to the oil.
yeah, but this could be like a volcano. So that's like that's the lava.
So it is like bubbling as well, erupting. So as you can see, it just fell onto the bottom. and it's still going as it's nearly finished as well.
I feel like it looks like a ship.
Yeah.
You know? It's just so cool. So this, guys, is the wonderful science. It's full of wonder. And
This
cool stuff.
experiment is like a volcano, how to make a volcano.
And then the underwater one, like, if you don't have it, you can make this instead.
What if you stir the spoon?
We could start with a spoon.
What's happening is...
So now we're gonna stir it with a spoon.
Sure, what happened?
And we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
Whoa! Look at that. It looks like an underwater whirlpool. A whirlpool. It looks like it's mixing color. It looks green. Yeah, it does look green. But what if you scoop it up there
As
the oil? So as you can see, when he stirs it, he makes the oil barrier weaker, and when he stops, I think
it goes back into position once it stops.
yeah, and then
See?
there.
It's
So
very
it's
nice.
basically
Look
a
like
And
a,
it looks
immortality.
like
it look like glowing.
it looks like a glow in the dark. How
Yeah.
they make the ushies.
Yeah.
So
I can see like bubbles. Yeah, look.
yeah. So this is what it looks like when you just take it out
You don't see the
from
oil.
the spoon. Yeah, you don't see the oil. It's mostly the
But it's
bombshell.
dazzling. Huh?
But it looks like dazzling. Dazzling.
Shiny, and I see your piece there.
Mmm.
See?
Reflection. So let's keep mixing. There's a little bit left. So as you
Wow.
can see, it looks like jello and jelly.
Well, basically, Jello is an American jelly brand. I'm pretty sure.
When you're staring, it's have bubbles.
And it also stirs, when we stir it, it has bubbles. Very big bubbles.
Yeah.
It looks so amazing.
I feel like it's the Mariana Ocean.
Yeah.
So like, this is an easy experiment. You can like do water, oil, and bombshell if you have one, or just food coloring.
With baking soda. As you can see, it's turned into green. You can see a
It's
little
like
bit of the
greenish.
oil.
No, that area's bluish, and it like morphs into yellow.
It looks like soap in the bottom.
Yeah, this is a DIY
So what-
experiment, and this is a.
What did you
master
learn?
art.
What did you learn?
So we learned that if you mix blue into yellow, it makes green. And we learned that if you put water and oil into a cup with bombshell or food coloring,
Like,
it
When it goes
goes up. There's a barrier of oil.
So is that the water
So
is
this
mixed
is-
together with the oil, or they
So-
can't mix together?
you
So
can't
you can
really
mix,
it
you can't
together.
really mix it together,
But
with the
only when
oil.
you're stirring.
but only when you stir
No,
it.
you're not. You still not. Look.
Look.
Even you still.
It kind of breaks the barrier.
Yeah, but
Then when you stop,
it's getting bubbles
Really
only.
nice.
So you're learning about the oil and
We learned
water.
about the pollution in the water.
No, the water and the oil. It's not stick together, right? So you learn the oil and the water is not stick together. Even you mix, the oil is still up. The water is still get down. Right? So that's what you learn. Even how many oil you put, the oil is still up.
yeah,
Jason, you said
it
this.
just overtakes.
Even you
said it.
already mixing, the oil is still up. The water is still down. So that's how you learn today.
okay.
So what did you learn?
So we learned that the water stays down and the oil goes up. No matter how much oil you put, it's
Even you
still the
stir.
same.
Yeah, And with the oil, it's kind of like a protective barrier. But if you stir it, it just like
Breaks up.
yeah,
And
like,
we learned
fades.
about the pollution in the water, that it's really bad.
Yeah, and like why people should not like put oil in the water
And
because
pollute it.
like animals when they go up, they could like
Suffocate.
yeah because like ducks can be waterproof. But what they have to do, they have to like go all around their body and like
I hope you try this at home as
and,
well.
and this is a must thing you should do at home.
Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and share.